guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Anya the Explorer. आप सभी का यहाँ पे एक और बार स्वागत है. And if you're new to my channel, then hey, I'm Anya. I make lifestyle and self improvement content, and make sure that you're hitting the subscribe button, and I'll make sure that you love it here. And with that, we can dive straight into our video. So today we are going to do my birthday gift unboxing. Wonderful, है ना? On 19th of November, I turned 15 finally. So let's begin with our very first gift. That is my birthday outfit that I was wearing. On that day, I was wearing a hoodie and a very aesthetic jeans that I got as a birthday gift from my mother India. मतलब मुझे कपड़े तो बहुत सारे मिले इस बार, like a lot of clothes I've got. एक और चीज़ मेरी mother India ने मुझे gift की थी in terms of clothes only. This very pretty short kurti my mother only gifted me. This is very like pretty and very aesthetic kurti, short kurti it is. Okay, next we have is this cute, very cute actually, pen stand thing. This is what I'm loving it. One of my friend gifted it to me, and it's so thoughtful of her that she gifted me this pen stand, because it's not only a piece of decoration, but I can also use it, like I can use it on my study table as a pen stand. And this part I'm loving about it. This is so cute, and it's all wooden, and a very nice gift it is. I can like literally tell. Look at the detailing here is the best part, and it's so pretty. I'm loving this part. Like this part I'm really loving this whole thing. Next I have is from my best friend. It is so cute. Like it is all handmade, and the hearts made. It's so pretty. Don't focus on these colors. ये मैंने लगाए हैं. Let's unbox it together. There's a lot of things in this. First is this very cute happy birthday. She loves to do art, and she's made this very pretty happy birthday wala card, and it seems like that is me. It's so pretty, and it's like, look at the detailing that she does. Like efforts देखने चाहिए gifts नहीं. And then she made this very pretty clay wala omelette, which is very pretty, I know. And one more thing is there that's very very cute. It's a donut. This is also made from clay, but it's so pretty, so pinky. Look at the efforts. Now coming to the main gift that are so pretty. Oh my god, I do not really have to say that that love for jhumkas is every girl's favorite. I am loving it. It's so pretty. I don't like, I really don't have words to explain this feeling. Okay, your best friend gifting you jhumkas, it's the best part of your friendship. And it's just so pretty, oxidized, very like pretty, aesthetic, pretty now, wonderful. I love them. I'm gonna be wearing them very soon, and I'll be keeping it very preservingly because they are so special, guys. I mean, I don't know how to tell you why they're so special. Next I have one more very pretty jewelry item that's gifted from one of my friend. She was not invited to my birthday, but so sweet of her that she gifted me this very pretty bracelet. Have a look at this. I mean, who is not loving this bracelet? Let me wear it for you. Like, it's so pretty, so pretty. Look at this. Oh my god, I have no words to explain what I'm feeling right now. It's so pretty. Look at the pastel colors and wonderful. Okay, let's move to next gift. That's my cousin's gift, my mamu's ladka. I was not really expecting. मेरी मामी ने मुझे अलग गिफ्ट दिए हैं और मेरे मामू के लड़कों ने मुझे अलग गिफ्ट दिए हैं. So I'm really like shocked on that fact. But ठीक है. So this is very thoughtful of him. He's gifted me a full box of jewelry, Box this pitara, it's like a pitara only. First are these again very pretty studs. I mean, have a look at them. Like, let me remove this panni because it's really disturbing it. But look at this. Oh my god, I really don't have to explain why are they so aesthetic and cute. Oh my god, look at these studs. We have this very pretty star ring. This, he knows that I love rings. I still have like these on my hands. This is so pretty. Wow, I'm like gonna wear all these. And then we have one more pair of earrings that are again very pretty. Okay, these are like those earrings, like thoda bohemian type, thoda sa simple, like very wooden and that type of earring it is. Literally मैंने पूरी पन्नी फाड़ दी. Look at this. Wow, so pretty na. This will go very nicely on my western outfits. Like, it's so pretty. Look at the art on it. Okay, let me look at the art here. It's so detailed and so pretty, you know. आवाज कर रहे हैं, मुझे बढ़िया लग रहा है. Okay, next I have my mami ka bada wala ladka, and he's like very fond of this decoration items and house like decorating things. He loves to do that. So he's gifted me one of those masterpieces. I can tell you, it is so pretty. He knows that we don't like put pictures in our house, so he's been very thoughtful and gifted me this very pretty looking like ayat of Quran, and there's Makkah in this, there's Medina in this, and I'm not sure. Okay, Aital Kursi is also there. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I mean, have a look at it. It's so like so pretty, and green is one of my favorite colors, one of my most favorite colors, and Allah is also written there. And okay guys, let's not forget बच्चों के efforts. मेरी मामी का छोटा वाला लड़का was like 5 year old. He's gifted me a chocolate that I've already eaten क्योंकि कंट्रोल तो है ही नहीं मेरे ऊपर. एंड देन उनका बड़ा वाला लड़का थोड़ा सा बड़ा, ही इज़ 8-7 year old. He's gifted me this pen का set. It's so cute to pen. I like efforts देखने चाहिए है ना. Okay, next is one of my most favorite gift that my Mosi and Mosa has given me. Sheran ke mummy papa. Wonderful. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so aesthetic. And पसंद उन्होंने किया है, but it's so pretty. लेने मैं गई थी. Okay, look at this winter crop cardigan. I really don't have to say that it is so aesthetic. It is so pretty. Oh my god, have a look at this. Like, are you not falling in love with this mint green cardigan? It's so pretty, so pretty. I mean, I don't have words to say that it is pretty. It's just so pretty and aesthetic. So soon I'll be making it. इसमें मैं सोच रही हूँ something like bell bottom jeans with bow. It's like very soft girl aesthetic look I'll be making with this pretty gift of mine. Okay, next move to a very special gift, like very special gift. That's a gift from my brother. Okay, I personally love what my brothers gift me. This is what he really gifted me. Oh my god, have a look at this. Very thoughtful of him कि जाड़े आ गए हैं. अकलमंद ने टैग अभी तक छुटाया नहीं है, बट प्राइस भी लिखा हुआ नहीं है, so don't never mind. This is the very pretty like jacket sort of thing is there. It's so pretty. I know the price of it by the way, but I'm not going to tell you. It's so aesthetic. Lavender is one of my favorite colors. And let me show you where is the magic here. What makes it so special, and that is, okay, wait for a minute. That's the quality, that it is a two-sided jacket. Now look at it. It's so pretty na, hai na? And you know, it's lovely, fantastic. Okay, and he's also given me money also, so thank you bhai. A lot of gifts I have. It's very pretty, like very pretty. Let's move to our next gift. Okay, next I have मेरी मामी का gift, and one more gift I got from my like one of my friend's mother. She gifted me money, तो वो पैसा रखा हुआ है, और थोड़े और पैसे हैं मेरे पास. काफ़ी पैसे भी मिले थे मुझे, ऐसी बात नहीं है कि सिर्फ गिफ्ट मिले हो. Okay, here is the star of the video. It is very pretty suit she's gifted me. Like, so thoughtful of her कि मैं कितना सूट पहनती हूँ. She knows. Look at the color and the print. It's so pretty. Oh my god, like I really don't have words to tell you what this is. Like, look at the pant, the detailing just makes it wonderful. It's so pretty. This is the front, this is the back. Both are same. Okay. This is the pants, and then we have the kurti, the ultimate fashion thing. It's very long. It's like a A-line kurti, and when I'll be wearing it, I'll be putting a picture over here. It's so pretty. Look at this kurti. Like, this is the neck detailing. So pretty, right? Then we have like थोड़ी सी बड़ी है, so we have dori for that as well. We'll be tying it because I'm very dubla. Not that dubli as well. And नीचे भी थोड़ा सा style बना हुआ है pattern. ये देखो. So, and yeah guys, that's for the video. Hope you've liked the video and the gifts as well. Do let me know in the comment आपका favorite gift कौन सा था. And soon I'll be seeing you in my next video. And sorry for not being able to upload videos like for 2 weeks straight. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye.